Hey writers, I'm Samantha Panzera with Aspiring Writer Academy, and I teach the tech and marketing side of things here. Real fast, a little bit about me. I got my start back in 2012 when my mom offered Darlene Panzera, started getting a bunch of traditional book contracts. And at the time, I was in college for integrated multimedia, and I was learning web design and Photoshop and video editing and all those fun tech and marketing classes. And so naturally, I helped my mom build an offer website, create bookmarks and other promotional materials. And after I graduated college, I started doing freelance graphic design. So today, I'm super excited to be talking about what you should be putting on your copyright page of your paperback novel. And so in this video, I'll show the process of me adding a copyright page to my mom's book, Offer Darlene Panzera's Golden Horizons. Okay, let's get to it. So for the copyright page, I'm going to select my text on my other document and bring that into the template here. And I'm going to right click and hit paste. I'm going to click use destination theme. Okay, so after inserting your text onto your Amazon template, you're going to go down to paragraph. I'm going to align the text left. Line spacing I'll have on single. I'll have 0 point on the after. Special for indentation set to none. And I'll hit OK. And you'll want to clean up any errors in the formatting, like right here, these little enter arrows. I'll delete them. You don't want to have spots where you hit the enter. So right there, I did hit enter, but see how it removed the icon for it. And so you just want to clean up the formatting. So if you aren't sure what to put on your copyright page, there's a whole bunch of great templates online that you can look up. You want to make sure that you have the title of your book, your name as the author. You want to have a mailing address that people can contact you with your website. Or if you don't have a website, at least have your email where people can contact you. You want to make sure that you have the copyright year. This book that I'm formatting had been previously published by Barber Publishing in 2019. So I have the copyright date of that first edition. And now Darlene got the rights back to her story, and we're self-publishing it here in 2025. And so you have the previous publishing date if it's a reprint. If it's your first time publishing it, just put the year that you're currently publishing. And so you want to make sure you have the publishing dates and then the text of generally along the lines of all rights reserved. No part of this publication may be reproduced, distributed, or transmitted in any form or any means. You want to have where permission requests where people can contact you if they have any questions about your story. You'll want to enter your ISBN number once you've purchased that. A common place to get ISBN numbers are from Bowker Publishing Services. There you can buy single ISBNs, or you can get a 10-pack, which is very common for authors self-publishing. Another option, since you are publishing on Amazon KDP, is you could use their free ASIN, which is Amazon Identification System ISBN number, but that can only be used on Amazon. It's best to get a purchased ISBN instead of using the free ASIN number provided by Amazon. There's a whole bunch of reasons, and I have a whole blog post covering this, and the link will be in the description below of this video. And hopefully I'll create another YouTube video very soon covering all about ISBN numbers. So right there, I just added some spacing and things to clean up and make it all look uniform. And main thing is remember to come back and enter the ISBN number right here once you've gotten your ISBN number. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the content in this video, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. That way you get notified each time we come out with future videos. And also, in the link in the description below,
Be sure to download our free Brainstorming Your Story Idea worksheet. It's filled with a bunch of fill-in-the-blank pages and templates and story examples, all to help you get started on your novel. All right, catch you next time.